Hello students, we will consider line of symmetry and do analysis of various rangolis, and this is in accordance with the new NCERT class 6 maths textbook symmetry chapter. Okay, so let's start. So this is the first rangoli. Now students, tell me, what do you think should be the line of symmetry? See, let's start from here. So if I draw a line like this, then the two sides of this are similar. So this is a line of symmetry. Next, this figure. Again, consider the figure in both sides, they are similar. So these two are indeed lines of symmetry. Correct. Are there any more? Why not? See this one. Again, consider the figure on both sides, so they are similar. So this is also a line of symmetry, and also we have got this one. See, if you consider the both sides, again they are similar. So how many? There are total 4 lines of symmetry. Good. Now next, this rangoli pattern. So you can see that there is a change compared to the previous one. There is a dark spot over here. Now what do you think? So if I draw a line like this, see, then here on the both sides they are not equal, because there is a dark pattern, here it is not. So this line is not a line of symmetry, right? Similarly, here also if I draw a line, see, here it is black, here it is white. So if I compare the two sides, I also find that this is also not a line of symmetry. But this one, see, the middle one. So if I compare the both sides of it, see, it is similar. So here this is one. In a way, you can see that here we have got only one line of symmetry, which is this one. Okay. Next question. This one. What do you think about the line of symmetry? Here also you will find that there is only one line, and it is this line. See, if you compare the both sides, they are identical. So this is the line of symmetry. Now if I consider this line, just like the previous case, you will find that upon comparison, the two sides are different. Here we have a black spot over here, but here it is a white spot, smaller one. So this is not. So again, here also we have got only one line of symmetry. Okay, let's consider next pattern. What about this rangoli? What do you think? See, if I draw like this, they are not same. Why? Because these two are different. Again, if I draw a line like this and compare, so again they are not same because these two are different. So in a way, they are not the line of symmetry. So in fact, what do you think? Is there any line of symmetry? If you think carefully, you will find that there is only one line, and it is this line. See, if you compare the two sides, they are similar. Okay, here also it is going approximately in the middle. So this is the only line of symmetry. So here also we have got only one line of symmetry. Okay students, next question. What about this case? What do you think? You will find that if you draw this line or if you draw this line, it doesn't matter how you draw, none of them can be the line of symmetry. So here actually this figure has got 0 lines of symmetry. It doesn't have a symmetrical pattern. Okay, you can't find any line around which the figure will have a symmetry. Next, a different rangoli pattern. Say, how many lines of symmetry do you think we have over here? Just like the previous case, first line, second line, again third line, and then the fourth line. all, if you consider all everywhere, you will find that the figures are the same, right? So here we have got 4 lines of symmetry, right students? Next, this pattern, what do you think? Here you see we have got only one line of symmetry, like this. The others cannot be the line of symmetry, so only one. Next, again some variation. What do you think? Here also you will find that there is only one line of symmetry, and it is this one. If you compare the both sides, you will see. So again only one line of symmetry. See, if I use this line, here we have got a dark spot, here there is a different case. So again this not. So there are no other lines, only one, and that is this one. Next, what about this? So you will find that actually there are no line where you can get a symmetry. There is no such line, none of them. Okay, none of them. So again 0 lines of symmetry. Now let's look at a different Rangoli pattern, this one. Okay, so how many lines of symmetry do you think? The first one is this one. See, both sides are similar. Next is this one. Okay, again both sides are similar. We don't have any other line of symmetry, so only 2. Fine. Okay, what about this figure? Here you see this one will not be a line of symmetry because there is a black spot, there is not. So this is not, whereas this one can still be a line of symmetry. So here we have got only one line of symmetry, which is this one. Next, another variation, which is this one. Okay, how many lines of symmetry do you think? What about this one? No, this cannot be because these two are different. Again, if I draw this one, again here is a black spot, there is nothing. So none of these lines can be line of symmetry. In fact, this figure doesn't have any line of symmetry. Again, this figure, another Rangoli pattern. What do you think? See, even if you compare this or this, you can't find anywhere a symmetric pattern along these lines. So this also doesn't have a line of symmetry. Next, consider this figure. Okay, what do you think? Let me draw. So if I draw this line, see, there is a symmetric pattern on the both sides. So this can be one. Again, if I draw this line, again there will be a symmetric pattern on this both sides. But this line, see here, just compare. Here it is different, here it is different. So this is not. Similarly, this is also not, because here the patterns are different. So here we have got 2 lines of symmetry. Okay, what about this picture? This Rangoli pattern, what do you think? Unlike the previous case, here we do not have the line of symmetry because here is a black pattern over here, whereas this is different. So this one is not. Again, what about this one? This one is also not. See, because this is over here, this is different. So this is not. Again, this one and this one, they are also not. So this figure doesn't have a line of symmetry. Next, what about this figure? What do you think? Look carefully. The first line can be drawn like this. So this is one line, another like this, second line, another like this, third line, another like this, fourth line, right? Compare all the sides, you will find that there is symmetry. Okay, So there are 4 lines of symmetry in this figure. What about, there is a little bit variation I have put over here. Now you will find that you can't draw any line such that there is symmetry. See over here. See, these two cases are different. Again over here, again these two cases are different. So in a way you can see that there is no line of symmetry of this figure. Okay students, so I have considered various rangoli and performed a detailed analysis of the line of symmetry for each of them.